Come on, I love.
And then put it in your story.
Okay.
Pero kung dinala ko yun sa ospital, tumuwan si mama sa pag-iman.
Hi, are you excited?
Yeah, we're excited to go to Baler. Or maybe once when I was little, but I forgot about it. So, I don't know, maybe next time.
Dita.
How about my sister, my younger sister? Tell me what you're feeling right now. Are you busog? Yeah, a bit. How about you, Laverly?
How about you? Busog po. I'm good.
Okay, that's good.
What are you gonna do in Baler?
Nothing.
Ano na?
When we get there, we're gonna go back home right away. Just gonna do a U-turn there.
Oh,
Ito ba pang charger?
yeah.
Laverly.
What?
Ako na ako ng picture dito.
No.
Maria Aurora Sierra Madre. That's the name.
Take a picture of Maria Aurora. Hey! Picture ski. Go for the picture ski.
Ano kotse kaya yun?
Expand.
The beach.
Better than Elio.
It's the
What?
beach.
Look at the alon.
It's better than Elio.
Ay, mas okay dito. Mas okay. Mas...
Hi! Hi, love.
So good here.
Yeah, so
We
nice.
like it here. We
Yeah.
like it here. So much better than LU.
Yeah, Baler is so nice. Look at the view. I need the honey.
Baylor.
Hi, love. This is a vid. My husband.
Pwedeng walang soft drink. There's no drink ah.
Baler, guys. Look how beautiful. So, sobrang konti pa ng tao. That's what I love about Baler. Ano, konti mga tao lang. Yan. This is Baler. Souvenir shop. wanted to go there kasi nandun yung lighthouse. Life is visible, but the lighthouse is over there. Pero it's like a 3-hour ride from here. So, kaya ayoko pa sana umuwi kasi I wanted to enjoy it. Kahit na init, kahit sikat yung araw, like yung wind dito sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam. Init eh.
Bili pa tayo ng tubig. Your mom, ang pili ng pili. Binibilang ka lang. Ayan o.
I love you, mushroom chips.
Dito kami bumili ng suman and souvenir po. How much po yung suman nyo? 100. Isang ganyan na. So, bili kayo dito. Ano po ba anong store? Raquel's? Yan. Raquel's Pasalubong. So, malapit lang siya dito sa highway. Thank you po. It's so good. It's so good you have to buy. And they accept GCash. That's the best thing.
Kung hindi na po, kuha na lang ako na. Ikaw masyadong technical eh.
Di ba you study cars?
Wait.